Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for going ahead and paying attention to those disclaimers, which are very important for us and for you. Thank you again for being here. Welcome to UK Prime Time. Today is Friday, so this is the day that our CEO comes to train you personally. So in order to get the most out of this training, grab your pen and grab your notebooks because you want to go ahead and jot down some notes, and you also want to do what? Jot down some questions because you will get those answered. All righty. So now also you have people that you are on this journey with, and you want them to be just as smart as you are because learning is earning and sharing is caring. So share the good news, get your phones out, start using those index fingers and give them a call, send them a text and tell them that this particular um, event, this Zoom is extremely important because Chavez is going to talk about the next step, and train us as far as the different things that he has been indicating that he's going to train us on. So this is important for you and your comrades, your friends, your associates, your upline, your downline, your sidelines, your around lines, for them to be here with you. You are congratulated in being here yourself. Congratulations on being here, but you want the rest of the folks here. So we want 5X in our financial bag, okay? So let's go ahead and get 5X people in here. Give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do that so that we can manifest that which we will receive. In the meantime, as you are doing that, we're 5Xing the number of people in this Zoom. The only way that you're going to get me to stop talking is to make sure that we get 5X people. And I know that you didn't come here to hear me talk. You want to hear from Chavez, okay? But I'm going to keep talking until we get more people in here. Not really. The thing I'm going to do is I am going to introduce a man that we have come to respect for his integrity, his intelligence, his innovations, and being a developer that has brought us so many products and projects to this affiliate marketing 3.0 that you know, and that is the reason that you're here, is to hear what he has to say. The thing that is wonderful about Chavez is his willingness to go ahead and share and his knowledge, his talents. And so get your pen and notebooks. Let us hear what he has to say. Chavez, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Grace. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I hope everybody's doing fine. I'm good. All right. So I hope many of you might have started spending also using your liquid pay cards. It is really good to see spending also. I was looking at the back end and I was completely shocked uh, at the figures and the way that people are embracing it. It's really good. I mean, we didn't even officially announce on the platforms. We did not market it because we are still waiting for the Apple iOS store to publish us, and then we will go full-fledged with the marketing. We'll start Zoomathon and do 24 hours Zoom and help people register and do their KYC. But just with the announcement, just with the peer-to-peer, communication, we were able to see, I think, almost 2,000 app downloads so far, and people have started spending as well. I will give the figures of the number of transactions as well in the Wednesday call, and this is really good. I mean, this is even better than my expectations. So once we go live with the 1 month pilot card offer, I think the network is going to get a really big pump. As I expected, it is likely to 5x your asset, that is your network, your number of people that are under your structure, and I see it clearly now. So congratulations once again for this success. Okay, let's start. Today is, as I promised on Wednesday, that I'm going to give you guys the basics, or you can say we will call, we will start the capital on call for Capital 3.0. Two new allocations are underway, and I'm going to deeply talk about the concept through which the industry is rising and where we see the benefits. I mean, when I say we, it is after the recommendations of top tier funds and the GPs that we consult for Capital 3.0. So in this session, I'm going to talk uh, in clear details about the niche that we are also targeting, and that is something which market is also going to embrace in this bull run. So take out your pen and paper if you guys want to make some notes. If you have some notebooks that you use for the Friday calls, it will be beneficial for your knowledge, for your uh, you know your own self. Okay, so let's start. So today I'm going to talk about Def AI, or you can say DeFi with AI. This is not a new narration. This is a existing narration already, but there has been talks over the uh, convergence of decentralized finance with AI, what AI is bringing to decentralized finance specifically, and what are the utilities, or you can say how it is going to impact the the specific niche that I am talking about, which is DeFi. I'm not talking about centralized financing, or I'm not talking about the Web 2. I'm just talking about DeFi products and DeFi utilities, how AI is going to impact. So this particular niche has been termed as DeFi AI, or you can say Def AI. So let's understand what is Def AI. Def AI combines decentralized financial ecosystem with AI-driven analytics and automation. Just like we created Boomerang, initially Boomerang AI, if you guys remember, where our algos are AI-based algorithms. They searched, they browsed the dexes, the pools, uh, transactions. Even we tried to catch the transactions from blockchain RPCs in order to get the early alert or notification about the upcoming created arbitrage on chain. And that's how we were able to snipe the profits with Boomerang. So the similar technology, or you can say that the technology on the same line, where DeFi products are going to get a big push and are going to get little, not little, but a huge level of automation with the help of artificial intelligence. Everyone is talking about it. Every product is talking about it, but I'm talking specifically today on this particular niche where the market solutions are expected to skyrocket from 1 billion to 10 billion by the end of this 2025. So we know where the uh, potential growth is. And I'm not saying this. I have collected this data from market. So now we understand. So who are we? Uh, so basically, we are a developer house. We develop products. We give it to you in the DeFi side. But in the Capital 3.0 side, we are the VCs. We invest. So as part of development of Boomerang 2.0, as part of development of Dodo, we have implemented all these fundamental elements of DevAI is already. We are already working in it. We are pioneers in this segment. But at the same time, what uh, funds and VCs are having interest upon is DevAI, where these tools are going to enhance the existing technology and enhance the efficiency of blockchain technology with artificial intelligence. And this particular segment is at a billion market cap. And this is expected to grow up to 10 times by the end of this year only. So we know where the flow is. We know where to focus. And because of this, uh, we have decided to go with two major allocations on the same segment. So one very big allocation with a tool that allows decentralized finance and AI automation we are going to invest in. And the second one is a unicorn already with 1 million users with Web 2, and they are now entering into Web 3. So we have decided to collaborate with them. It's a public listed company already in news, already in stock market, already having huge traction in the Web 2 world with their product, with their utility. Now they're entering into tokenization. So we are going to take them hand in hand with our community of Capital 3.2 DAO members. So two new allocations are coming. Um, from today, we will start Capital on Call. For next 10 days till 27th of January, we are going to focus on uh, Capital 3.0 with Capital on Call. As much as you guys can contribute, as much as you guys can push, let's push it. 10 days, we grab. I have aims to grab a really big chunk because this is where we multiply our money 10 times. We know that, you all know that, and let's do it. So yes. Okay, coming back to DefAI. Leading projects, there are projects also you can go and check for your knowledge, understanding. Griffin, Orbit, AI Expert are already paving the way by leading AI-driven features with decentralized protocols, aiming to make everything from trading to lending more efficient and user-friendly. So uh, like I described earlier in the calls about Dodo, that we are going to have the margin over Dodo. So just like right now you buy indices, let's say I try to buy top 5 memes, here I will have option uh, of the margin as well. If I want to put 500 and start, I can potentially uh, borrow a loan of, let's say, $2,500, and this $500 will become my security or my base or point of liquidation for my index on margin. So how this loan is coming is coming through a decentralized protocol. Is coming through a liquidity pool. Has it asked anything else? Just your wallet has signed for the loan and you got the loan of 5 times of your margin. So that is where the basic technology lies. And if this is powered by artificial intelligence, this can even become more precise, more stronger. Now the AI is doing job for you. So it understands everything. It understands calculations. And the way things are moving forward, the way things are growing, I'm expecting these lending, borrowing, trading platforms are all going to be AI based. Even the exchanges are going to be AI based. Correct calculations, order books are going to be more efficient. So with these solutions that we see right now, even it is going to influence the banks, how you get the loans, how you borrow from the bank. It is also going to put a great impact, I believe. So one of the AI's biggest strength is the ability to sift through enormous amounts of data and generate real-time insights. On-chain data, that is activity happening directly on the blockchain, and off-chain data, information from outside sources. So till now, blockchain was uh, the algos which were running on blockchain, you can say bots, you can say algos, you can say anything. Whatsoever scripts were running on blockchain, they were able to fetch data just inside the blockchain ecosystem. Now with the help of AI, it has got a perspective as well on the data it has collected on the blockchain. So off-chain data is also accessible with the help of AI. And that is what is Def AI. So when your AI companion is trading for you, it also understands the sentiments of the market. Before placing margin orders, it understands that today is, let's say, US presidential election results. It will not place your spot order. It will trade in futures. It will take long orders, or it will not take short orders. If there is a news that is impacting the market right now, it will alert you. It will stop you right there. That's where the bigger utility of AI is being derived with Def AI. Isn't this interesting? Because AI is currently writing messages to you, chatting with you, that is of no commerce. It is generating images for you. Yes, it is helpful for the marketing companies, but what AI is bringing to you? Is it bringing food on your table? No. But AI is going to increase the efficiency of the existing models on which we can capitalize on. That is DeFi. So, I mean, I'm not talking about something which has been discovered yesterday. This is not a breakthrough that came last week. No, this is the narration for last 2 years. But the time in which we are in right now is the is the is the duration of the bull run. We are inside bull run right now. So we need to select, assort, and uh, pick the opportunities in terms of capital 3.0 and technology in terms of our own tech development according to the futuristic trends. That's why Def AI. That's why I thought I should bring this narration to you guys also so that you understand where the industry is going and where we are focusing. So let's dive more deep into it. For example, Griffin uses a natural language processing to let users interact with DeFi through simple human-like commands. This means you don't need a computer science degree to navigate DeFis. So let me give you guys an example. I think 6 months ago, I said I will give you guys a TMA, a Telegram application, through which when you connect your BTC20 wallet, you will be able to create smart contract and deploy it on BTC20 smart chain. If you guys remember, how many people remember this? Raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, 20, 25 people remember. Okay. So for people who don't remember, I said we can create a simple TMA that is going to allow you to write a smart contract with your normal instructions on BTC20 Smart Chain. What does it mean? It's basically AI writing Solidity for you. So you are commanding in your normal interactive language, natural language. You are writing your command that I want to create a token with 21 million supply, having 4 years of halving, with I want to also introduce a staking model inside it. I want to do this. I want to do that. You are naturally commanding the AI, and in return, AI is writing in the language of codes and framing a smart contract for you. And then either you deploy it or AI deploys it for you. What I said that we will deploy for you, the AI will deploy for you once you provide instructions. You select and then it's done. You provide your address and you become the owner of the smart contract. And that is the breakthrough where AI is going to jump in and it is going to make even the development more accessible to normal people without computer science degree, without you being a developer. And I know it sounds really different that you might be thinking, why would I ever need to create a smart contract? Or why would I need to create a token? The way this industry is taking shape, the way Bitcoin has crossed $100,000, blockchain technology is not just going to take over the whole uh, finance, but it is also going to influence your traditional businesses. The work which you are doing, if you are running a business, you need to tokenize it for the efficiency. So if you will not learn it, if you will not embrace it, then you will go behind your time. Just like the internet. When internet came, people started building websites. It's a very known narrative to everyone. On this call, people who are above 45 years old, you have lived through it. You have seen that yourself. When internet came, every business, every venture which went digital became successful and is still successful and running. The ventures which did not get digital, which did not even create a web page to show their online presence is no more. I'm talking with crust, with solid results, which actually happened. So, and that time, if you all remember, I mean, parents used to say to children that if you don't learn coding, if you don't know how to code, you can't survive after 25 years, 20 years. It was recommended to learn how to code. I don't know about other educational models. When I was in school, I was young, I was in elementary. post my elementary education, in my computer science books, there was HTML, and we were taught how to code, how to write HTML. Uh, I think most of the countries also had the same. Raise your hand if your school notebooks, if your school textbooks had HTML at least, because that time the whole narration was web. People had to go digital. If you, I mean, kids were scared by their parents, by their teachers that, hey, you need to learn how to code. Otherwise, you can't survive. You can't run your own business if you don't know how to code. Similar thing is with blockchain. But the good part is we have AI. You don't have to learn how to code. You just have to understand the technology. That's it. And AI will do the job for you. So the long narration of people having to learn how to code is now phased out with AI. So for me, I am living in a paradigm shift. I'm living where the world is changing. And we all are witnessing this change, which is which is not insignificant, which is very, very significant. And I would say it is still early. We are not late. We are, all of us are going to be early birds in this industry before Bitcoin hits $1 million. Yes, we are early. This industry is evolving. Okay, yeah, I remember now what I was talking in Indian prime time. So the real evolution, like in the last bull run and the last bull run, many people lost their money. Tokens, meme coins collapsed, utility-backed tokens also collapsed, pump and dump. All these things, colorful things happened in the last two bull runs. So industry required innovative solutions where real, legitimate, and utility-backed things can be developed. And that is why from last 1 year, I think around 1.5 or 2 years, people are talking about RWA, real world assets, real world assets. Next bull run is going to be all about real world assets. Nobody understands actually the application of RWA in the blockchain or in the cryptography. Uh, the concept which I'm explaining today, DeFi, is a part of RWA, is a segment of RWA which is going to even push RWA in a very efficient way, because many traditional businesses would enter into blockchain with the help of smart solutions that are giving them the entry to the blockchain space. They will be able to derive their uh, cryptography, their tokenomics, everything. If I will go and write, okay, I will give you guys a very good. So if I go and write on ChatGPT that I am running a small business. Any traditional business? Anyone running? Raise your hand. Give me a. I will create tokenomics for you with the help of ChatGPT right now. Anyone? Yes, Eunice. Any traditional business? Just one.
Real estate.
Real estate. I'm running a small scale real estate business where I buy, sell, rent properties. Now, since the blockchain technology is evolving, I want to enter with some utility and create a token for my venture to tokenomics. I will write tokenomics in simple language, okay? So I want to distribute the tokens to my tenants living in my rental properties and as a security and want to collect maintenance and other expenses in my token. Please also suggest few more ways to utilize my token in real estate venture. Okay, so we'll start a conversation with a background. Let's see what ChatGPT writes. Memory is updated now. Okay, it has created rewards for tenant loyalty, property management services, investment opportunities, discounts and perks, community engagement, referral system, collateral for tenant loans. Okay, it has explored the loans also. Marketplace for goods and services, fee payments, staking for benefits. See, it has taken me from one utility to the staking and benefits. So it has allowed me to enter as a real estate agent into cryptonomics properly. Okay, now, great. Let's pick the, okay, I like 1, 3, 4, 6, and 10. I like utility number 1, 4, 6, and 10. Let's proceed with the tokenomics. See, tokenomics is ready. Okay. Total supply 100 million tokens. Reward for tenant loyalty 30%. I can trim it. I can adjust it. Discounts and perk 20%. Referral system 20%. Staking for benefits 15%. Reserve fund 10%. Operations and marketing 5%. Token distribution plan. Initial distribution allocate 10%. Total supply of 10 million token to bootstrap adoption. These tokens will go to early tenants, partnerships, and marketing campaigns. Ongoing distribution token for rewards, discounts, referrals, and staking benefits will be distributed gradually over time to sustain engagement. Utility breakdown. All the utilities I selected, it has broken down the tokenomics. Then ecosystem dynamics, then growth incentives, then governance, the future expansion. Would you like to refine these ideas and proceed drafting a white paper for your tokenomics? Yes. Let's write. Eunice? Eunice? What is the name of your venture? Where is Eunice? Unmute you.
Eunice wonders.
Eunice?
I think he's on the phone.
Yes. No, I'm here. Is only the mic. I have to close it for a second. Well, we tried to find the name, but now it's Team 5D. Team 5D.
Token name. Team?
5, no 5, like a number. Number 5 and D. Yes, that's it.
Okay, cool. See, tokenomics is created. Okay. This is a white paper.
Amazing. How much it costs, Chavez, to hire a company that is specialized in white paper? How much it costs?
In the market, if you will say,
In the market,
good,
yes.
yeah, good. Average, or you can say the basic, what you can find online on Upwork, on various freelance websites, $5,000.
We just say $5,000 for a white paper.
Yeah, this this is how people paid me to create white papers and tokenomics. Come on, I made all the money doing this all over the years, and now AI came, and I don't have. Okay, all right.
Amazing.
So this is the white
But
paper.
can you think that we can by the white paper can we ask ChatGPT to write the code?
Yeah, I'm right. I'm coming. Eunice, come
You
on.
come in there. Okay, okay.
Come on. Okay. All right. Okay. So great. Great job. Thanks for taking my job, ChatGPT. But yeah, great. Uh, let's deploy token 5D token team 5D on ERC20 network. Please write a smart contract that I can deploy right now. I will mention Solidity in case. I'm not in my computer where I code, but otherwise I would have deployed this contract right now, you know, on this call. But here you see Solidity smart contract being written by ChatGPT instantly. For this, people used to spend $5,000 to $10,000. Done. This is how traditional businesses are going to enter into crypto because they have to. All they need to do, need to know is to learn how to interact with AI. And that's it. But what I was trying to explain is we are doing it already. Now we are more interested in investing as well in the ventures that are bringing ease to the industry. With Capital 3.0, we can do that. So two new allocations are going to be around this. So, all right, you guys have seen the show, you know. So at a recent Binance research report, it highlights that AI enhancements can lead to smarter governance, better market analytics, and personalized financial strategies by automating portfolios and customizing risk assessments across multiple chains. Def AI could open up DeFi tools to an even broader audience, reducing some of the complexity that traditionally held newcomers back. So are newcomers going to hold back? Now, no. You just simply need to go and command AI. It will do everything for you. It's ready. It's giving you solutions right away. So everything that we are seeing, we are doing, and the way industry is growing is inevitable. This is what is going to uh, impact. Even I was talking to a few banks recently when we released Liquid Pay. So today in the Indian prime time also I said it. Um, 5 years from now, your local banks will start taking Bitcoin as collateral for your home mortgages, for your car, for any liquidity that you require to borrow from the bank. They will accept Bitcoin and they will give you loans. So it is still early. We still have we are awake at the evolution of this industry. Now it is evolving, and this 2025 is going to be really, really interesting. So in short, let's focus on, of course, our products. At the same time, we focus on allocating the capital into the right place with Capital 3.0. So these are the two, this is the underlying technology through which these two ventures are operating. And I'm interested because got the recommendation from top tier funds. And this is where I'm foreseeing we will multiply our wealth, you know, bare minimum 10 times. So let's do it. This is how it will shine. Okay. Rest in terms of updates, it will DODO based network implementation will take 2 more days. So hopefully we will organize a special Zoom for that. If it had been ready today, then I would have explained it along with this. Apple Store listing is still in the progress. I can't do anything. Process is process. So let's wait till tonight. US is awake now. I believe they are reviewing it. They might write something to us and we might write back. So if it happens today, it happens. Otherwise, on Monday, it will happen. So same thing, Saturday, Sunday, weekends, they don't work. And and then about Capital 3.0, yes. Uh, 48 hours are over from Wednesday till now. So we are now starting to distribute the tokens. If you have not received the voting tokens, contact your upline immediately. Submit your address, submit your username. You will get the token. Don't worry. We are still minting it for the users who are submitting their addresses in case something got missed. We will not leave anyone behind. Don't worry. You are not going to lose your tokens. You are eventually going to get it. Maybe you will get after 1 day. Others may receive it today and tomorrow. So don't worry. No need to worry. Just send it to your uplines. Make sure you communicate or send support tickets. Write in the support ticket your username, your address, and sorry, username they know, your address that you have taken part in the allocation to and your tokens have not arrived. So of course they will check and they will get back to you. In terms of liquid pay, uh, I wanted to do a special Zoom. So let it go live and then I want to hold a special Zoom session on Liquid Pay to explain each and every element by sharing my screen, by sharing my phone screen so that you all understand. Um, one quick reminder, if you remove your card and add now, you will see the same green card in the Apple and Google devices. So it is not white anymore. It has our branding and colors. Now it is implemented. So everyone who has the card, remove it and add it again back, and you will see the green card in your Apple Pay and Google Wallet. So which is good. This was the final tokenization by the Visa, and it has been done now. So we got approval of the colors also from Visa. All the 3 colors are approved. Behind me, you see this one, green and black and white. All 3 colors are, no, this is not white, this is platinum. The physical card, when it will come, it will be the platinum shiny card. And this black will be metal card, and this platinum will be shiny platinum semi-metal card, and this green will be the plastic card, which will be PVC card, green colored, very catchy. It will look really beautiful in the wallets. That's why we have selected green. So yeah, it is now finally tokenized by Visa as well. So when you add the card in your Apple Pay, in your Google Wallet, you will see the transactions also from Liquid Finance. The card also mentions Liquid Finance. Earlier it was showing a default card, your card it was mentioned, right? Now it is tokenized by Visa. So the wallets are displaying it. Uh, if users, I got to know one more glitch that people were not able. Oh, now nice, Sarah, you have spent. Nice, nice. You have not spent. Let's unmute.
This good evening.
Good evening.
In Spain, just an hour ago, I got the funds changed into USDC, and I got all this there. And tomorrow I will go to raise a glass in your honor.
Okay, cool, cool, cool,
And I
cool.
will happily making a photo and I send it to you.
Nice. Yes, I would be,
I
I
will.
would be really happy to see that. Amazing, amazing, interesting.
And it's coming from TRX. I changed TRX into USDC, and now it is here in USDC in Spain.
Yes, yes. Okay. Also, a really important thing that I wanted to announce. I will announce on Wednesday. There are more people on Wednesday, and it will be communicated later as well. We are going to accept USDC in WAAS, and we are also going to give you option of withdrawal in USDC as well. So while you withdraw from WAAS, you can withdraw either in USDT TRC20, or you can withdraw in USDC on Polygon, and you can deposit as well in USDC Polygon, so that this challenge of Mika and Europeans that they have, it will be solved. So people who want to do TRC20, keep doing it, keep up the flow, no problem. People who want to switch to USDC now, let's start Polygon. Polygon, I think, is very cheap. It's very convenient. It is available. You can swap it in any EVM. Later, if you guys want, we can do Ethereum also, but Ethereum is very expensive. You guys will have really hard time, and you can spend in the card as well. So what I was basically looking at, you make money from WAAS and you directly spend with Liquid Pay. So yes, we are going to give you TRC20 in Liquid Pay as well with the next update. At the same time, you will have USDC withdrawals as well in WAAS. So deposits also in Polygon USDC, withdrawals also in Polygon USDC, along with USDT TRC20. So this I think will eliminate a lot of swapping and exchanging, and it will save fee for most of the people. Okay. Yes, Eunice, you wanted to say something?
Yes, Chavez. Actually, it's two questions I got. One is regarding the Liquid Pay card. Now, when we go in WAAS, we see a code that we can actually
don't pay
copy.
attention.
Don't pay attention. Okay, okay, good.
Don't
The
pay
second,
attention now.
okay,
Earlier, I thought of doing code, but codes are really difficult to manage. So I have done even a really better solution. Let me come and give you guys a walkthrough on WAAS, how it would give you membership, how you redeem your card. Let all the three cards come in the app, and then I will guide how to do it.
Okay, and the second question is regarding there are a few people, they contact me, they already vote on EdFina project, and but when they link their wallet with EdFina website, they say they are not eligible yet, and they say they got the 25, the 25% allocation swap. They did the vote and put the Ethereum address.
Can you
But
send it? Yeah, can you send it? Can you send one example to the support group? You are
yes,
in the support group, right?
yeah, no problem. I will do that, Chavez. Thank you.
Okay, please.
Shavez, take a few questions or
Yeah,
from
let's take at
okay.
least 2 questions at least.
All righty. Sir Cop, and please, I need for you to show your video.
If
Go
anyone
ahead.
wants to wait before we take questions, what we discussed today about DefAI, what we discussed about the automation, if anyone wants to learn and understand more about it, any confusion, any overlapping questions on it, please raise your hand. Rest of the people, go to support Zooms. Make sure these all things are support things. You guys have channels, you guys have support, uh, everything. So do not ask support questions from me. Let's stick to the topic that we discussed. I gave you guys updates. Wednesday I will come again. I will give more updates. Don't worry. Nobody is going to lose nothing. If you have not received tokens, you will get tokens. If you have not received allocation, you will get allocation. Okay, don't worry about anything. Just let's put more light into the aspect that we discussed today. If you guys have any questions, please raise your hand around this.
All right, no problem. Chavez, so that means, folks, if you start with my team, I can't figure this out, I'm going to have to mute you. So please, we stick to the topic of DeFi. All righty, Sir Cuppen, what is your question?
All right, so good afternoon, Chavez and community. So Chavez, as it relates to the card, where So I'm in the US, Chavez. So if I try to download the card, right, from the App Store, it doesn't work.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So that's why I said for Liquid Pay, I will take a special Zoom on the card. I will explain everything. For US, still in the progress. We have done two KYCs are already applied from US. They are under process. Let them get verified, and then we will talk to Samsung again, the KYC provider. And once, see, that's why you don't see it on the Play Store, because we have disabled it from our end.
I got
We
you.
will open, we will open in your country once we have done everything in the backend.
Okay, understood. I just want
It has been tested in the US. It works in the US. We are just figuring out the process flow, the required documents. Maybe US citizens require to give two supportive documents. I mean, whatever is required, we are finding the way around. So one more week, it will start to show in your Play Store, in your App Store, in your region automatically. Everything is organic. Nothing is like I can allow you to do KYC. I cannot allow you to do someone else to do KYC. I cannot do that. Everything is generic, organic. Whatever are the laws, we are following the laws, jurisdictions, regulations, and we are doing accordingly. So don't worry if it is not visible. It is correct that if you do the KYC, it may be rejected right now. So once we open, we can do it.
Okay, thanks for the clarification, because that was not clarified. So as it relates to the physical card, so that would be really like a year after or a couple months after?
No. Instantly. Once the rollout starts, once you receive your purchased virtual card, just after that we will start shipping of the physical cards. All the shipping routes, channels, shipping companies are set. I will probably go to my office. I did not go for a long time. We have envelopes in which your cards will go. I will show you guys that everything is ready. Not from our end. They sent us samples also that will go from the shipping company, of course. Printing will be done at the Visa licensed printer that is located around US, that is located around Vietnam, that is located around Brazil, that is located around Spain, that is in Europe. So Europe's Visa vendor will print our European cards. Indian Visa vendor will print our Indian cards. So everything is aligned, and we have received samples also. Now the tokenization of the card happened. So our colors are recognized by Visa. So next batch that we will receive from the sample will be in our colors. I have received white cards. Now I will receive green, black, and platinum cards.
Excellent. So Chapin, those are great questions. Thank you. Downtown, go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Yes, Chavez, how you doing? Real quick. So I think we're talking about DeFi and the updates. You may have said it, but maybe I didn't catch it. As far as Boomerang, what is the update with that, or when we're supposed to start the training?
Yeah, no problem. No. It's not
you have some background there.
I know everyone wants to know about Boomerang. I want to tell everyone about Boomerang. So maybe you guys keep your eyes, ears, senses open. I may be talking about it only. So I have started the narration. I'm talking about it slowly, gradually, and I will give you the product straight. I will not explain how it works, why it is that. I will give the product. But the narration is, of course, with the AI. And I don't want to, tell you guys right now. Let's see. Once the product comes, use it and then tell me how it looks.
Shavez, did I understand correctly? We're sticking to the DeFi?
Of course. Please. Stick to the narration which I gave.
Thank you. All righty. Mylor.
Hi, Grace Chavez. Hi, everybody. I think you mentioned that if we don't get allocation minted, I should call Apply or Google that.
We're sticking to as far as the DeFi is concerned. So
People who don't have appliance, I understand it's a challenge for you. Contact someone. Ask David. He's here to help. Ask Financial Freedom Team. They will help you. They help everyone. Ask Lucky. Ask Rashid. Anyone. Just pick someone and call them 10 times. Of course.
I will put in the chat the email provided by Lucky long time ago, and she stated several times that to go ahead and send that email if you have issues with applying. So I'll put that in there.
Literally, I cannot help. They can help. They talk more than the support team than me. So I think David spends more time with my support team than me. So yes, they can get it resolved faster.
Look at that. All right, you know.
Yes, you hear me, Grace?
Yes, I can.
Okay, perfect. Nice to see you again. So every time, I'm very happy to see you. So hi, Chavez, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Perfect. So nice to see you. So congratulations, Chavez. So you're making a hard work to all the community. So I'm Dominican, I'm working with team in Dominican Republic, but I live here in the United States. So also I'm working hard here in the United States, I'm almost reached the Chiva rank. I dream every day to reach a Chiva rank, and every day grow up in the company to me, is something very important. So just very excited about the liquid card. Just waiting for you. Say that the community, like here in the United States, you're ready to active the card, and we're gonna spend. I go to the supermarket. I'm gonna buy fried chicken. I'm gonna buy everything. I'm waiting for that. But anyway, so one question about the Capital 3.0. So
we're talking about the DeFi.
Let him finish. We have
Okay.
heard his narrative. Yeah. So, okay. Yes.
All right. Do you hear me?
Go ahead fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So I have a lot of questions with my team. They asked me like, okay, Junior, when we have a couple project listed, so we are ready. We're gonna be ready to swap our tokens from WAAS, because now say coming soon, and I say, okay, I suppose that's gonna be.
Yes. So 2 swaps are already done. Allocation 1 and allocation 2. We have 4 more allocations ready. So 4 more swaps are still underway. Once these projects are going to do the TGE, we will do 4 more swaps, and 2 new allocations I am in talks with. One company that is AI-based DeFi tool, and other company that is public listed company already having 1 million users on board. These 2 allocations we are now in progress, and that's why I started capital on call from today. So yes, swaps are happening. Swaps are going to happen. Maybe in this bull run we will do 10 projects only, but these 10 projects are going to give you guys 5x plus 10 more x from outside. So yes, this is the goal.
Thank you, Yuna. Andre, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question. We're focused on DeFi.
Thank you, Grace. Hello, Shavez. How are you?
I'm good, Andre.
Hey, I'm very happy you teach us today, because Team 5D, the tech guy is me. So I learned when you ask the good question, ChatGPT give the good answer.
Yes.
And I with Capital 3.0 is going to be new DeFi AI project. So you're going to bring us to us?
Yes. I have already signed the collaboration. I have done some commitments to them. Let's see. This time I will not talk about how much or what sort, because we have liquidity as well in the treasury to allocate. But I want to do big in this one, because I see a clear 10x.
Okay.
And so, if I see a clear 10x, then
Okay. With the example you show us with the Solidity and the smart contract, you ask ChatGPT. So why did you don't ask on BTC20?
Yeah, exactly. It can when chain is registered, the chain is not listed right now. So once it will be recognized as EVM, then it can write on BTC20 as well. And because it is the same contract, you can deploy the same contract, Ethereum contract, on BTC20 as well. It is also EVM. So you copy the same contract, EVM contract. I forgot. I should have write a EVM contract.
Okay, EVM contract. Okay, maybe I'm going to ask you some question about it on the support group with Eunice and admin. But because
$5,000.
last time you told me pay ChatGPT, and I do it.
Yep. If you will ask me, I'll charge $5,000.
Oh yeah. Ask ChatGPT. Can you ask Chavez to? No, because it was very full in the December.
Yes, I will help you guys. Don't
Okay.
worry. Let me let me get some more time and organize a call with your team. I will come and I will guide you guys how to enter efficiently into blockchain. And let's do it on BTC20 Smart Chain because I can't wait for you guys to start entering with your businesses on BTC20 and utilize the liquidity of BTCC, in your ventures and,
Yeah, that's what we want to do.
Don't worry. Fridays, I will, because see, last couple of weeks have been really, really busy for me.
Oh,
I could not even think anything in my brains. So now I got time because now I cannot do anything. I'm just refreshing mails to waiting once it has to get listed, and that's it. I mean, we have work, but it's not tiring right now. So that's why I started Friday calls to be the same which it used to be. And next week I will cover more. So don't worry. I'm going to bring one by one all these elements that are going to really help you guys to understand and to get into more into your lives, how it can impact your life. That is very important, I think.
Thank you, Andre. Thomas, please go ahead and unmute. Thomas? Okay. Sylvia, I can hardly see you. Okay, there you are. Okay, please go ahead and unmute. You're unmuted.
The host is...
You are unmuted, Sylvia.
Hey, Sylvia here in Mexico. I have a few questions I write down. And thank you, all of you. We're going to go big, all community. I'm dyslexic, so it's difficult to take notes. I'm not a number dyslexic. So I have a few questions that I don't know where it fits in. It's liquid, because I love the liquid and everything with products I will understand more and more because it's going to show up there. It's so smart, everything. So my question is because I have a big bunch of people who want to have the liquid pay. It's very easy to say, yes, a little, and they say, yes, I like to pay. Try it for free. So one question is for Chavez and company. 31 January feels very short to make people join.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry. So the day, okay, unmute her. The day we will be live on iOS store. We are live on Play Store. The day we will be live on iOS store, I will start the official Zoomathon for 24 hours. We will publish it all over the internet that we are live. From that time, 30 days will start. So don't worry.
Now it feels better. I mean, Valentine's Day is a good day on my floor, is forgiving.
Yes.
But it's Valentine's Day rest of the year also, right? That was one question, thank you. And you said in another call for liquid pay card, we should take phone number and email. Do we have to have it to remember who's trying free, or can we link or something? So they belong to me, so I can follow up. I have my husband also, but he's so busy to help me.
Yeah, if you give liquid pay to someone, just ask for the phone number and email so that you can follow up.
I do WhatsApp so they can answer with email and phone number. Maybe easy.
Yeah, that's it. Same.
And I did something creative. You can ask my son, and also technical, but it's easy with numbers and money. I created on either the iPhone 10 or my Samsung 4 Flip a QR code indirectly to BTCC, and I don't know how I did it.
Nice.
Yeah, I love QR code. If I didn't know QR code here in Mexico, the family will sleep on the street. That's how if you don't have WhatsApp in Mexico, you don't exist.
Oh, okay.
So QR code is easy. You don't need internet. You just need to get people in. I send it from my Samsung, get the information for WhatsApp. People are curious. I don't know how I do, but it's just me. I'm working. And a QR code, and I send the information to my other iPhone, WhatsApp, that my son will actually administrate for me because computer and stuff, it's not my thing. But QR code and catch people, and I'll say, liquid pay is like this, you can do this, and I want to know more. So that's typical Sylvia.
Okay.
So QR code to invite. That was two questions.
Yes.
So the support for WAAS, how to register after they say they want to have the card, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Can I create a QR code that I can use for WhatsApp. So I like to keep them. You know, I'm not so technical. I like to bring my son to you in Dubai so he can learn, so I can learn. That's my dream.
Perfect.
That wasn't very private too.
For Liquid Pay, I will give you guys one more thing. I remember now. Well, great job, Sylvia. We have created a WhatsApp bot for questions, for answers, for troubleshooting your, if you are stuck somewhere, you're doing your KYC, you just go over WhatsApp and talk to the bot. It's AI bot. It will assist you. It will do the same thing. It is Chavez AI version for Liquid Pay. So it is deployed now. I will give the chatbot once we go live. It will be on website as well as it will be on the app itself. It will be a button. You click on WhatsApp. It will assist you with everything. And there, when it cannot assist you, when it is giving you more generic answers, there are few people sitting in the support in the backend. They will help you with the WhatsApp itself. So they will be connected manually, just like in this, typical chatbots. If your query is exceeding the abilities of the AI, then it connects you with human. Of course, humans are still having a place. So yes, it will be connected to a human. So we have that workaround already ready. I will give the demo of the chatbot on Wednesday.
Oh, great. Chantal, thank you, Sylvia. Great questions. Chantal, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Well, a great presentation today, Chavez. My one question was just answered because I wanted to say, so you were talking about Chavez AI and when are we going to get, I remembered you saying, well, you will learn how to bring code onto the, or tokenization onto the smart chain and we will bring Chavez AI. And I felt like, we are learning so fast and we're having to do so many things. And you have a vision about, what is the networker of the future looking like? And I'm feeling like, I think we have to start with Chavez AI. So the networker of the future is starting to, develop now. So, okay, you're saying you're starting to deploy it and we will get some access to it. So that's an answer to my question. But I have a second, suggestion, which is related to this, I work with some AI companies and they give like a whole library of prompts relevant for your whole business. And we're getting more and more teams and we're going faster and faster. And I think a prompt library, AI prompt library, specifically for, building up teams and working with the tools that we are getting would not be a bad, back office resource that we could all use to fast track, because 8 months capital needs that are there, it's just it's a question and a request at the same time.
Definitely. I'm on it. I was actually trying to figure out how to give Chavez AI to you guys. It's all, I wanted to get it into the community with a utility. That is what I did not have. It was very, it was very plain and simple. Why would you use Chavez AI? For what? So let's start with Liquid Pay. And it will give you product information, it will interact with you, and later we can definitely give you guys a plugin in the dashboard to assist you with the network help. It can generate banners for you. It will have generative AI. Like today I achieved BOOMERANG. I don't want to wait for backend team to announce the banners and here is my picture, create a banner that says I achieved BOOMERANG, and I forward it to all my team instantly. Generative AI did that for me. So yes, these things can be done. It will have product information like I want to promote Liquid Pay in Latin America. Create a video for me explaining this, that, all the preferences. You can still do that with AI, but you'll be able to do it directly on our platform.
Super. Can't wait. Happy to support.
Yes, you guys have to support. I'm coming to that. I'm going to have a leaders call. Okay, need help to train the chatbot. I need FAQs. I need you guys to collect questions from the market. Give me the prompts. Give me the answers. Come on, I cannot do that. My team cannot do that. They're not operating business on the ground. You guys are. So I need help.
Excellent. Ian, thank you, Chantal. Ian?
Chantal, that's brilliant. We focus so much on the technical side of the crypto industry, but I think that one of the things that's kind of lagging is the networking education and having resources to people like Jim Rohn, Eric Worre, Eric Thomas, Les Brown. That would be amazing. So let's look forward to that. Chavez, I actually do have a Defi AI I used to be in the rap group Def Hooligans in crypto. No, I'm just joking. Um, as I'm watching you give the AI prompts to create the tokenomics, I was thinking about, so AI is going out and it's retrieving data from existing standard procedures and, the way things are done currently. But, if you take somebody like Satoshi, right, he launched something that didn't exist before. So do you see the role of a developer or a development team more tweaking what AI generates or innovating? Because the AI is still basically, I know, what's that?
I understand that. It is still, it helps as a catalyst to enhance it, to make it more precise. So I would give you my perspective on that. See, when it comes to, like, take an example of me, developer or innovator, they will never lose their jobs. Of course, innovation has its own, ways, and AI is not going to replace humans, never. Uh, the ease of knowing technology and using it and staying up to the trend can be provided by these tools. These tools are not for professionals. These tools are for common people. These tools are for, uh, you know, this tool is for Eunice, who is a real estate guy but wants to explore the tokenomics blockchain side of the venture, right? This tool is not for me, who already understands and who already, who can think out of the algos, who can think out of the set information which is already on the internet. AI is curating the data. It is bringing bits and pieces from different sources, right? Which is already placed by us, the developers, or the content creators, or the writers in the blogs, in the technology. So this is, I understand. I mean, it's both. It can even, uh, it can give me ideas to think out of box. It can help me derive same tokenomics in 10 different ways. And it can also, I mean, new ideas, innovations cannot be replaced, of course, by these. But yes, it is going to play a huge role. Now, I think we haven't even explored, or we have not even disrupted even 1% of what it can bring. So yeah, let's see how we are going to.
That's an excellent answer. I couldn't have asked for a better answer. And just one more question relating to you personally. I'm just curious. So let's say I had asked you to write me a white paper or write me that code. How long would it take somebody like you to do that?
So if I were to write a contract, I would say 2 hours. If I work with 100% focus, and if I have command over solidity, like expert solidity developer can write a code in 2 hours minimum. And ChatGPT did that in I think 3 seconds. Yeah, it's just crazy.
Thank you, Ian. Awesome. Findel, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Findele? Yeah.
Findile.
Findele,
Hi,
thank you.
hi, Grace and Chavez. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I heard that there are some countries that didn't receive that are not able to download the card. Here in Swaziland, it's not even mentioned. I don't know why. Are we left behind? Swaziland is not mentioned.
No. Where, Swaziland? You are in Swaziland, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. So few countries will automatically open up. Let me check. Give me one moment. Let me check if it is dollar sanctioned or not. If it is dollar sanctioned, then we have a problem. We cannot issue cards. But if it is not dollar sanctioned, we are good. No, it will be available in Swaziland. Don't worry. It is not a dollar sanction. Yeah.
Oh,
So
now.
wait for it. if you, okay, I'll give you an idea. For others, please don't do it. For her, she can do it. Try to use Premium VPN, download the app, and once you download the app, switch off the VPN and then operate. Just for downloading the app, use the VPN. That's it. Do not use the app over VPN. You may go through KYC rejection if you are using VPN.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Findele. Thank you.
And let me know, or let someone know. You know, do you have an upline? Let them know that you have done the process and what happened.
Okay, thank you so much.
Who's your upline?
It was Kobe.
Gobi?
It was Kobe.
I don't know if he exists.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us connect. Can someone take her number?
I will.
Let me know the feedback.
Thank you so much.
And send it to, or someone send her my number. Okay, text me personally and let me know. And do it now. It will be interesting to see what happens. So, in your chat, check. I have dropped my number to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Text me on. Okay, here's my number. All right, who's next?
Thank you so
Debbie?
much.
Go ahead and unmute.
Thank you. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone.
You're echoing.
Are you hearing me?
You're echoing. You have two devices on.
I think I did.
Can you check that, and then I'll come back to you, Debbie. Paulino, go ahead and unmute. Paulino?
Oi, olá. Chave, olha, nós no Brasil.
Oh, you're from Brazil.
Nós aqui no Brasil.
Good to meet you. Okay, let me bring
Queremos
some.
fazer negócio crescer no Brasil.
Yes, it works in Brazil. Liquid Pay card works in Brazil.
Your upline is he has the upline Nasisco and Marco. Okay, Paulino. Paulino, any other question?
Falar com o Narciso, aí ele traduz para nós.
Okay. Obrigado. No entiendo português.
O chave olhar nós no Brasil.
Yes.
Para nós crescer.
Sí. Very good. Obrigado. Bye-bye.
What does he mean?
His upline is in touch with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apostle Eric.
Thank you, Chavez, for the wonderful presentation. Yes, I succeeded in downloading my own Liquid Pay app this afternoon. At first, they were not going through. So I'm in Gabon, in Africa, Central Africa. So I succeeded, and I was going through the process, but I was blocked at the point whereby I couldn't take a photo because it was blurred. The photo was blurred. I tried, and to no avail. And since there's no option for us to upload, because the option that is there is you have to do it with the card live. So if there was an option for us to upload, to take the card, take the photo of our ID card separately and then upload it, would have been better. So we tried and tried, but to no avail.
No.
So that's what I did.
You cannot upload. It's a live KYC. You cannot upload. If you get the picture blurred, go back and move forward with the same option, continue KYC. You will land correctly. If there is a glitch in the camera, if your phone is very old or cannot capture pictures, use some other phone to complete your KYC and log in your card back. But it cannot be with the documents uploaded. I'm really very sorry. Because I'm not doing your KYC. KYC provider is doing your KYC, and that's live KYC with everything. I think most of the exchanges, everything is now being driven by live KYC only. So yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you, Grace.
Sylvia. Okay. All right. I think that's all the questions. Rajiv
Ji wants to say something.
Hi, SHAVEZ.
Hello.
Hello. First of all, thank you for the information that you gave today and what you showed. It was amazing. I have no question, obviously, you know that. But want to say only one thing. I did the purchase on this our beautiful liquid pay and another card. Okay, same purchase with two cards. It was a small purchase. I just wanted to say, so liquid pay, it costed me $2.71, and the same thing on the other card, crypto card, obviously, it was $3.13.
Okay, throw that other card.
Yeah, of course. I just wanted to say, like, it's really cheap. Like always, you were saying that this is the lowest rates, and I saw it. And the other card is also not some other card; it's a hyperpay. So I'm throwing hyperpay.
It's okay.
Thank you so much for such a wonderful thing.
Definitely, and I said it to everyone. So I'm not going to take any questions anymore. Let me close this.
Shavez, I've been waiting.
Okay,
It came to me. Yeah, she didn't come back to me.
I'm so sorry. Okay, okay.
Yeah, Debbie, it's not that I didn't come back to you. We're just finishing up, Peach. Just saying that, okay? So
let's hear from Debbie, and then I will explain the same thing, and we close. So the same thing which Rajiv ji highlighted here, that spending fee. I said don't. It's okay. It's good. We have cheap fee, but our USP is not just cheap fee. Our USP is global accessibility. Our USP is the self-custody of the funds. If today you want to withdraw back, let's say for an example, for your hyperpay card, you want to withdraw back the money, there is approval that is required. Your funds are not in your custody. It is with the custodian, which is licensed. Of course, that's why Visa and MasterCard are issuing cards for them. But it takes a step of approval. And this is the future that we are working. You guys have no idea how seamless it would become when all the funds in your external wallets, you will be able to spend, receive, and transfer from the same wallet. What we have done is really, really a crazy thing that all the card providers are going to do it. Mark my words. We are launching in January. In the next 3 months, you will see, just take the websites of all the card providers and check with them. After 3-4 months, you will see all of them are moving to self-custody.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Debbie, go ahead.
Me?
Go ahead and unmute Debbie. Go ahead and unmute.
Thank you, Chavez, for taking my call. So I said that I was trying now a quick deposit to be able to put fund the card, but it's not allowing me. You are text that I should uninstall and install back. So I did that, but still getting the same issue. It's saying like try again. So I don't know.
Where are you?
In Canada.
Canada, it works.
It's just that when I click the deposit, it's saying something about try again.
Yeah, I heard that. Does anyone else has faced this issue, or this issue is coming in particular cell phone model, I think? Anyone else got the same issue? Could not see their deposit wallet? No, right?
Yeah, Chavez, yeah, there was one case over here where they are trying to deposit, but when they click, they are not able to see the deposit address.
Yes. So is it solved?
No, we tried installing, reinstalling, remove cache and everything. So that was done just in the night. So I thought that I'll put up this thing tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. That can be resolved. Maybe that is specific error coming in a certain smartphone device also. We are configured with 18,000 Android phones. If I tell you. So this is also a thing that goes around inside it, that you are operating on, one device. So with Apple, it's very easy. It's just one OS with everyone. But Android, so much colorful stuff. There are 18,500 variants recognized by Android which operate Android. And sometimes maybe one issue can come and that should be resolved. So Debbie, send me your email and phone number. I'll just simply write it to the team and they will resolve it and you will be able to see and thankfully because of you, your phone's model will be whitelisted. So
That's
yes.
good. All right, so I'll text it to you in WhatsApp.
Yes,
okay,
send.
Thanks.
And Rajiv ji, you also send right now because the team is active working. Okay. All right. Looks like we have covered pretty much everything today.
Yes.
So that takes us to the end of Friday call. Friday calls are going to be similar. Last couple of, I apologize for last couple of weeks. I was not able to carry forward the educational narrative because of so much work. But yes, now I'm going to stick with it. And next Friday is going to be something else, something more interesting, and we will learn. So Capital 3.0, Capital on call starting from today for the next 10 days till 27th Jan. 2 projects, really heavy projects. Let's do it. Thank you so much. See you guys on Wednesday.
All right. Thank you all for being here. This is the end of the event. You guys go, going to give you back the rest of your day, and you guys have a wonderful day learning and earning. Goodbye. Wish you the best.